Hello guys, welcome to a new video of the DBMS question series. So today we are going to talk about the question set 39. In previous video, we have discussed about the create view and drop view option in database. So today we are going to talk about the relational algebra query in database. Okay, in here, as you can see in my first question, they are asking to write the relational algebra query to find the details of a brand Puma. Use brand ID as 4. Use the table where the product details are stored as the product table. Okay, now in here, so we have to use the relational algebra query to find the details. So in writing the algebra query here, so we have to find the details. So we have to select some details. So we have to use the selection method in algebra query. We are representing the selection method using the sigma sign. As here you can see, this is the sigma sign. Then here in the brackets I have used the condition. In here my condition is for brand ID equals 4. Here as you can see in the question, they have given use brand ID as 4 here. So I have used that condition in my query. Then after the condition, here I have select the table that we want to find the details. In here also they have given use the table where the product details are stored as the product table. Here they have given the product table also. So when writing the query, we have to first select the details. We have to select the selection item. Here I have used the sigma sign is used to denote the selection method. Then here after that, here I have used represent the condition where brand ID is 4, and here I have represent the table which we are finding the details. So this is how we write an algebra query to a selection method. So in our next question, they are asking write the relational algebra query to find the details of the gender male users among the registered users. To do this, use 1 as the gender ID. Use the gender table as a table to store the gender of registered users. Here as you can see, they have given the condition where use 1 as the gender ID. So our gender ID will be 1 and the table will be gender. So when writing the algebra query, here is my selection sign. Then next my condition where the gender ID equals 1. Then my table user. So this is the algebra query for the relevant question. Okay, in the next question, they are asking write the relational algebra query to find the details of the registered users. Gender male, user type, employees. To do this, use 1 as the gender ID, use 1 as user type ID. Use the table stored by registered users as a user. Okay, in here they have given two conditions. Here use 1 as the gender ID and use 1 as the user type, and the table will be the users table. When writing that algebra query, here as you can see, this is my selection sign. Then after that, in my condition I have select where the gender ID 1, and I have used the AND phrase. Then I have checked where the user type ID equal 1 in the user table. So this is how you write a condition using the AND phrase here. Okay, in the last question they are asking to write the relational algebra query to find details about the products whose brand is DSI and Bata. To do this, use 1 as the ID of the DSI brand and 2 as the ID of the Bata. Okay, in this question they have given the same condition but two different brands. In the previous question, we have select two conditions in different tables, but in here in the same condition, same table and two different brands. So when writing that query, here I have this is my selection method. In the condition here, as you can see, I have checked whether the brand ID equals 1 and 2. In here we are using a comma because it is the same brand ID. In previous question we have we have used the AND phrase because these are two different columns here, gender ID and the user type ID. So in this question, this is the same column, brand ID and two different brands. So we can write like this, and here is my table product. So this is how we write and selection algebra query for a given question. So this will be the end of my video. Thank you.